and go around, but to be here on behalf of the Salesian order to confirm about what we are doing and going back to the Hector Major that we are working together as a Salesian order.
Hakasian ka Banyngkong hakathan doba Asia pangshati ki delegate nang ki province baka seng Salesian katrekam ki akan du lang kroi haka Jingialangbah first joint meeting Salesian province delegates of South Asia kabala sedang haka artarik patkan kut haka santri unailar hanong ba Guwahati Assam ki phang banyakran yatai bad ya sandur haka ni ka Jingialangbah South ngi kinlong ha social communication and information ka office kami Generally, jangka seng Salesian na Rome kalapha arngod kinong mikmat Reverend Father Ivo Coelho, SDB, General Councillor of Formation, and Reverend Father Gildasio Mendes, SDB, General Councillor for Social Communication, ban shimbanta bat batay kisan perkhat kibaya day bat gijingtray jangka nika seng hakanika than jangka doba Asia. Lasdang kanika Jingialang daga mas bakhut hakaba Reverend Father Ivo Coelho SDB General Councillor of Formation ulalong unong Jingialangbah. Hakajingkran sneng kran kraw upadar Ivo ulapan ken mau bat kentu ya baro ki Dkhot ki barawan ban shimbenta shakanika Jingialang bakin perthu bod eka nuksa jong utrai ken rat uji sukres hakajing em bat hakikam ki jam baki treman kasngi. Andarawai ka mas bakhut la Plie ka Jingialang hakaba Reverend Father Generous Sangma Provincial ka Guwahati ula priang burom ya baro ki Dkhot ki balawan shakani ka Jingialang upadar Sangma re thu ki kampla jong maria thesoti ki bala jia hakani ka than la mingi ka ri India ki riu khmat ki bala donlang hakaran san Plie ki long Reverend Father Ivo Coelho SDB Reverend Father Gildasio Mendes SDB Reverend Father KM Joes but Reverend Father Joyce SDB Dalakut ka Jingialangbah, Reverend Father Gildasio SDB, General Councillor for Social Communication, unsa keu banwan jengo ya ka Shillong, hakasian ka Banyngkong, haka jing imjung
Been sharing about this topic, communication information, as Father Ivo said this morning, is a historical moment. I think it's the first time. And here, my brothers, we are on behalf of Hector Major, the General Council. It's not only a meeting for sharing some ideas and go around, but to be here on behalf of the Salesian order to confirm about what we are doing and going back to the Hector Major that we are working together as a Salesian order. 2 years and a half see each other through Zoom or Google. When I gave a hug last night in my delegates, I was really moved.
Our challenge to live in this world. How do we live and work as Salesians in this new world? It is a topic on which we have been reflecting the last few years together with Father Gildasio and many others around the world in the process of revising the ratio, clearly not associated only with initial formation, but principally with our responding to God's call every day up to the last moment of our lives. And communication, which in another way has become omnipresent through the digital world. And I think our topic therefore is extremely relevant towards the Salesian proposal for formation in a digital world. How can we keep responding to God's call in this world which is truly digitalized in a way that we have not completely realized yet? I think we should remember also we are still living the year of Francis de Sales, patron of journalists, patron of communicators. No? So another reason for us to own this aspect of our charism. So we work for young people, we work for ordinary people, working class people, and also in the area of the social communications. So this is very much part of our charism, and therefore we have to ask how to be formed and how to respond to God and to young people in this area also.
For me, the fact that we are able to come together like this is a God-given moment. And I think it's very, very fitting. It's true that in the past they do have some discussions together. For example, this book I picked up in 2017 when I went to Rome for our Bruxelles meeting. Elements for the formation of Salesians in communication. And now and then I used to go through, especially since I was given this charge of the communication sector, as to how we need to inculcate the elements that are needed for the formation. We know that today teaching is not just communicating a content, but forming young people.